Okay guys, so you just got a new dishwasher. Say you're on like Black Friday special or something like that, and you are saying to yourself, well, my dishwasher's running, it's brand new, and it doesn't drain. Well, I'm here to help with another helpful tip for you today. Hopefully this quick tip will help you so you do not have to call a plumber and have them go and drain your dishwasher out or anything like that. So you have this tube, but a lot of calls, if you don't understand, because that's the only reason why I'm making this, you get a lot of plumbers get calls after this happens, and people are like, well, why does my dishwasher not drain? The reason why your dishwasher does not drain is because you did not knock out the plug. Where there's a knockout plug right here. As I'm sticking my finger in, I'm going to push my finger in, and what happens is that the knockout plug's there. And you'll also notice right here, your finger will be wet. My finger's wet there because we ran the dishwasher and the knockout plug is stuck. So I'm going to show you a trick to that. It happens to anybody that installs a new garbage disposal or dishwasher. So before you go run out and get a new dishwasher or anything like that, or call the plumber for a backup or anything, realize that your knockout plug in your on-sink aerator is not taken out. Here are the tools you will need. You will need a flathead screwdriver, and you will also need a hammer. Now it's recommended to take your on-sink aerator back off, and you are going to lay a cloth out on the table and hit it inside. Do not hit it inside the cabinet when it's attached, but take it off, unscrew it, and lay your garbage disposal on a cloth on a table, protecting it with its side up. Knock the plug out. When you knock the plug out, you'll hear a clicking. You want to reach your hand in and get that off. Always make sure you turn the power off again, guys. Always make sure you turn the power off. If you do not turn the power off, what will happen is that you possibly might get electrocuted, so you don't want to have that happen. When you knock that plug out, make sure you reach your hand in and pull that plug out. If you do not pull the plug out, you'll get a clicking noise when you turn it back on, and you're going to chop that knockout plug up. You don't want to damage your on-sink aerator there, your garbage disposal, so make sure you do that. So I'm going to do this, get it out, and then we'll see you in 2 and 2. Peace. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm shining the light, and you can see the knockout plug is plugged in there. So we have to take that flathead screwdriver, knock that out, and then we'll be good to go. Okay guys, it has been removed. As you can see, it's gone. Now you just stick your hand in there. This is what it should be like. So that's what it'll look like. We're going to go and reinstall and attach the garbage disposal, and then we'll reconnect it, run the dishwasher, and hopefully everything will be good. See you in a few. Okay guys, so the hose is hooked up, back up. So we're gonna run it through its cycle on the dishwasher and wait till it drains out, and then we will get the verdict if it stopped the dishwasher from being plugged. But that, okay guys, so the hose is hooked up, back up. So we're gonna run it through its cycle on the dishwasher and wait till it drains out, and then we will get the verdict if it stopped the dishwasher from being plugged. Okay guys, it is a success. It is officially not leaking or full of water anymore. So you saw the step how to remove that plug there. Make sure you like and sub this channel. We would appreciate everything. Appreciate you watching, and check out some of our other videos if you have any problems with anything. Don't make it a dog show, and good night now!